So we're very excited because this is the 25th anniversary of our first investment, which we made in 1993. So when we started in 1993, we were a very small fund. We had £1.5 million under management, and now we've got over 50 times that figure under management. So we've grown a lot in that time space, but what we found is the demand has just kept increasing year after year. So the Midlands area is a very vibrant economy, and companies are looking for more venture capital every year.
So Midven has been a venture capital fund manager for nearly 3 decades here, predominantly focusing on the West Midlands. And I say that's probably our unique selling point. And we're not just about providing you with capital, it's all about value add and expertise.
Just that insight of being, they've been through it before, they've seen the issues, they've seen the challenges of growing businesses time and time again. And so they've got that experience that's really, really beneficial.
They've also provided us with a board level expertise, connections and strategies.
But the good thing is that Midven were patient, stuck with us through thick and thin, and which I think was a good call by them, because in the end we all exited with a very significant return.
So we're very proud to help small businesses. It's what we've been focused on over the last 25 years.
It's always exciting for people who do deals for a living to find good new management, interesting investment opportunities, and to then work with those people and those businesses to see the sort of vision that people had for those businesses come to reality over a period of time.
So I've had the benefit of working with the people here and as an investment manager and investment director, and then I'm now a portfolio company as well. The Midven money really enabled us to focus that money and investment on our innovation and our capital expenditure, and also build a team of people who could then help me grow the business to what it is today. So it's easy to take a check, but that's not really what you want. You also want that knowledge, that insight, that support, because growing a business is actually really hard. Especially if you're the CEO. It's a lonely place being the CEO of a startup company. So for me, it's the things like I can pick up the phone to Tony or Serge, whoever it is, at any point and just have a chat, run things by them in an informal way. And then when I'm going through challenges, or we're thinking about recruitment or where to focus our budget for next year, just that insight of being, they've been through it before, they've seen the issues, they've seen the challenges of growing businesses time and time again.
In terms of Midven's involvement, it's helped us fund a sort of restructure and a refocus, and we've got a new growth strategy.
The UK-I2S fund has enabled Oxford Space Systems to focus on the aggressive development of its unique space hardware rather than a more risk-averse, bootstrapped approach.
As a byproduct of us helping these small businesses, over 25 millionaires have been created in the region, which has added wealth back into the region, and over £150 million of wealth has been created in terms of when those businesses were sold to trade buyers. The total amount that they were sold for was over 150 million. So,
just this year we've sold a synthetic biology business for up to £85 million, a business called Cathera, to Astellas. Last year we sold a business called Cobalt Light Systems for £40 million, and the year before that we sold a business called Alinea for £18 million to Arm Group. The Midlands Engine Investment Fund is a £260 million pot of money which has been split into equity and loan funds for the Midlands region. We've been awarded the £35 million West Midlands Equity Fund as part of that initiative. So this money is a long time coming. So there are a lot of businesses out there who have been trying to grow on a shoestring in recent years, and so this money comes at a really good time to help accelerate the opportunities for those businesses and really drive some growth.
So we're excited to be launching the GBAS fund, which will open the opportunity for private investors to invest in this area.
So we span the length of the West Midlands, covering not only Greater Birmingham, but also Shropshire, Herefordshire, Worcester and the Black Country. And there we're seeing lots of opportunities across a diverse range of sectors. And traditionally our funds have been public sector backed, but now we're seeing that actually there's there for private investor appetite. So we're going to launch our first tax-efficient EIS fund, the Greater Birmingham EIS Fund. This will enable investors to have a diversified portfolio in what is the youngest city in Europe. I'm Birmingham born and bred, I'm proud about this region, and I'm actually seeing a lot of innovation. We're seeing Birmingham pave the way in terms of startups setting up in the West Midlands outside of London. I think that's a huge honour to our region, and it's something which we're striving to encourage and promote. This city is booming, we're creating an ecosystem, and I can't wait to be a part of it.